Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. Once again, I'm here with a strategy which recently I found on the internet. But we're gonna see of this strategy what is the uh, positive. The showing the signal, and sometimes it shows the false signals. So how we gonna find the accurate signal on this strategy, and how we gonna use this strategy? Okay, so it was just on a shorties, but I have decided to explain these things to you in a proper way and with a very detailed explains. Okay, so let me explain these things in the details, and let's see how does it work. Okay, and I have found some few signals which was really accurate, and but most of the signals you have to check with the price action, so you don't get the false signals. Okay, so let's see, and might be it's just blow your mind that to find some accurate setup for you guys. Okay, so let's start or the strategy. Okay, let me just hide these things for first. Okay, and then we're gonna work on these things. Okay, so first we have to go to the indicators. Okay, we need to find indicators. Where's the indicators now? Okay, sorry, yeah. So the indicators, I believe it's somewhere here, the F sign. Yeah, so in the indicators we have to find TMO. Yeah, there is TMO momentum oscillator. Okay, and the real time by Lux Algo. Put the star sign which can show you in your favorites. You have to click on this indicator. So let's see how does it plot it on our chart. Okay, it seems like similar about the MACD, or you can say the oscillator, the awesome oscillator. But we're going to do some changes in this oscillator. Okay, and then we will see how it's gonna show us the signal. Okay, so it's gonna show us the regular divergence signal. Okay, regular bearish, regular bullish divergence signal is gonna show us, and it will appear on our chart. So most people sometimes they have a problems to find the diversion, and it's not really sometimes visible and understandable for the people. Is this the right direction or no? Oh, sorry, the right diversion or no? So it's gonna help us to find this diversion as well. Okay, this is a good thing. Now the second indicator we're gonna bring for this strategy is adjustable. Oh, there is. Okay, so I already put it on the favorites, adjustable MA. Okay, and it's by Lux Algo as well, so you can see. Click on that one, and you will have this kind of trend lines, or you can not trend line, sorry, you can say SMA. So you can find it find MA on your chart, the green mark, the green one which shows the bullish one, and the red one it shows the bearish one. So we're gonna do some changes in this one first. Let's just do the changes in this one, and then we're gonna go to the other setup. Okay, so let's bring this one on 30. Okay, bring it on 30 and make it as smooth. Cancel this. There you can see. Okay, and for this one we have to do changes on the oscillator. We have to do changes. Let's make it 7. Okay, and you saw there it just start appearing their signals over here. There you can see the buy and sell, the buy and sell, the sell. You can see the market dropped. Okay, and here again the sell. It is going to show you the diversion. If you see on this place like how it is, you need to see the market in this area. I'll explain these things to you. See, most of the traders which they're going to explain you, I'll bring the pencil now, so if it can work for you, not this one, sorry, and here this one. Okay, so let's see if it is working. My chart is black, so I'm going to use the yellow color. Okay, here you can see it shows the signal from here, the red line, you can see it cross down from here to this point. Okay, and it appeared the sell signal. Okay, and if you see in this area, okay, if you see in this area, yeah, in this area you can see, and it's still the higher and low. So how it going to be the diversion, the regular? But the thing is here that most people doesn't know, sometimes the diversion appear on the chart, okay, which we cannot see it. Yeah, and you can see the market start rolling down from here all the way, you can see down there. Okay, why is that? Because if you see, the oscillator shows the green bars are very high with the market momentum to the upside, but then the market drop a little bit and it start moving again almost to the same level, a little bit down but almost to the same level. But if you see here in the awesome oscillator, it just appear a few green bars up here in this area. Yeah, and the like the bars should go up to this level, okay, compared to this market momentum. And then what happens if the market goes above the previous high here, the previous high here? Okay, so when it goes the previous high here, then you can consider this is like a diversion. Then it's a visible diversion which you and me easily can see it. Like these bars should be higher on these bars, and it should be same like this, the lower low. Okay, then we can say it's a diversion. But in this area, the market just a little bit back to the same level, and the oscillator didn't make the same level high or more higher than that. Yeah, it's lower, it's like higher low, and then the market start rolling down. Okay, so sometimes you find the diversion in this kind of areas, so which we cannot see it, but this indicator is going to help us to find this diversion. This is a very good thing in the indicator. Okay, and I'll just show you something else. If you see a very good signal, most of the signals are very accurate. Okay, and how you're gonna use and how I mean, if you remove the candles, then you don't see the price action, but I'm gonna remove the candles for you, that you can see how you can take exit from the trade, which gonna make it more easier for you. Okay, so if you see here again, it shows the diversion, from here to here, and it appeared the buy signal in this point, you can see. And you can take a look here, take a look, the market is high, it make a low, but here the oscillator is low and make it high. Yeah, and from here, so it's a regular bullish diversion, and from here you can see the market start moving up. Okay, so if you see in this area the signal, the buy, so the market could come back to the level, retest the area, and it shoot up. So what you have to do is keep the stop loss about 20 pips, 20 pips, okay, or 15 to 20 pips from the previous buy zone, like this one. Okay, this is the buy zone. Okay, and then the market gonna shoot up. And if you see, to a little bit back more there, so we can find some signals. Okay, and then I'll show you how to use these things. Okay, now here, any time frame you can use this signal thing. Okay, see the some oscillator is a high and low and low, and here you can see the market makes the higher high, higher high. Okay, So market going upwards and the oscillator shows the down momentum. But in some places, if you see, but some places over here you can find like the retest and back retest to this level and the market roll down. That is the only thing. If you going to sell the market here with this sell signal, okay, so it might give you some profit, but then again it's gonna go back and here you get trapped. But you don't have to worry, because in this area the market didn't show the double top diversion. As you can see, here is the high of this one, okay, and here is the low of this one. So you can see it's again diversion and the market went up to the same level. So that's how you can see the same level. Sorry guys, where does it come from? I can remove this one. Well, what is this? It's like me, okay, confuse it now. Okay, so yeah, it was just an indicator. So that's how you can see now. Here it's a Magna double top, but it's a lower. But here in this point they didn't give a signal. That's it. You have to just find these things or figure out these things by using the price action, double top, you know, and the supply and demand zone. So that's how you can do it. Okay, I want to show you that the setup which we did it in this indicator before, how does it work without the candlesticks. You can see now it shows a candlestick, but we're gonna apply that indicator without candlesticks. So let's see, it was adjustable MA. Yeah, we do have that one, adjustable MA, and we're gonna go to the setting again because I removed it. It is to the 30, and these are showable, like you can see, as smoothed candles. The smoothed candles, how we're gonna see the smoothed candle now, but here you can see on the trading view up in this area. So when you click on here, the British pound, the pair which they're going to show you, and here you can see the I sign, click the I sign, the normal, which is the candle, yeah, it already disappeared from here, you can see. And these are the smoothed candle is going to show us now. How does it work? The smoothed candle, you can see now. Okay, so let's see, we're going to use these candles, not with that one. We're going to use this candle and this strategy. Take a look here. We have now a diversion signal which is shows the sell, yeah. Here in this area you can see the bars are going upwards momentum, but then here the bars get a little bit dark. I'm gonna show that point again to you guys. Here in this area you can see, in this area the bars get dark, yeah, you don't see the orange yellow bars, yeah, and the sell signal, it just appear in this area. So when the sell signal appear in this area, you're gonna wait for the bar to show up you in this point, you can see, and here's your sell. So when you take the sell position, you can see the market get roll over, and then what happened, it show you the buy signal in this area, yeah. But you don't have to buy, you have to wait. The candle should give you a bit dark gap, you can see the dark gap, and it start appearing the red signals to the up momentum, to the bullish momentum. It's get green, the bars, yeah. So when you see it, it's like a strong green signal, okay. And then here again, this area you find the sell signal, and what happens here are dark, I mean no candles appear, like no momentum, and then it started in this point and you sell the market, okay. So what happens, it went back only to the retest this level and the market dropped down. So I'm sure this strategy or these indicators you use on your chart on the trading view, which you know it's a free charting solution, and you can find these indicators, and not only these, there's tons of indicators, thousands of indicators you can find, and you can practice with these indicators on your demo account, or just you can see how does it work. You can see here, come on guys, I believe it's so perfect. Yeah, I'm just like wondering like how it is showing a very good signals. Take a look here guys. Definitely it's a probability game, and you going to win some trades and some is going to be the stop loss, so you have to be ready for that. Okay, like beautiful signal here, and the sell appear here in this area. Yeah, and these are the dark signals like the dark candles, and this is your first entry in this area. Okay, this is your first entry in this area. Sorry guys, here. Yeah, and then you can see how the market dropped. So the market dropped to this level over here, you can see, and this is your oscillator, but the oscillator make higher high. Yeah, and here you can see the market on still on the same level, but if you see in this point again the candles get dark and you find a signal. So what happens in this area when you find the first candles become reddish to bullish momentum, then you can buy and take a look, the market start going up. Okay, let's find some more signals, and then I'm gonna say bye bye to you guys. Before for those who are already my subscribers, and those who are not, they are new to the channel or new to the video, so kindly please subscribe my channel, and please smash that like button, which gonna help me a lot, and that's how you're gonna show me your supports to make sure reach these videos to a lot of people, if it's like valuable for somebody and they can get some income from it. Okay, so make sure, don't forget to smash the like button. Take a look here again, signal here, you can see, and here there's no candle yet, like very small, but already the candle appear in this area, and the market start going down until you find another, I mean like a gap to be dark, and you want to be on the safe side so you can take exit. Okay, and that's how you can do it. These are the candles which we already take a look here. It's a big diversion guys over here, you can see, and the market makes lower low and low, but here the oscillators is low, which is very up the market, and here the market came more low down, the oscillators go up. First buy signal is here, yeah, and then the market is dark, but again the market came more down lower from this one, and here is again the buy signal, and you see the strong momentum in the market, and then you can go for it. Okay, so yeah, if you don't want to use the candlestick chart, and then you want to use this smoothed candles, okay, like this one, you can do that, and it does work on the different time frame as well. Okay, but make sure use the bigger time frame, so it's gonna give you like more accurate signals, and then you can stay in the trade for more long. Okay, hope you like it, enjoy the video, and make sure share with your friends, subscribe the channel, and see you until next time. Take care of yourself. Bye.